Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install an apartment MLO which have 20 floors and each floor have 19 different open interior rooms into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the MLO, we just need to click over here, then click on code and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Over here you can see there is a file called elevators.lua. Just open this file. So this is a file of elevator system for our MLO over here, as you can see. If you want, you can change some coordinates according to your use. So I'll be keeping it default for now. So that's all for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now and this is the apartment MLO which we just installed into our FiveM server. So this is the location in the map of the apartment, as you can see. So let's go inside the apartment over here. So as you can see, this is the main floor of the apartment and over here you can see there is an elevator. And we just need to access the elevator over here. And these are the floors over here of the apartment. So let's go to the 5th floor over here. So as you can see, this is the 5th floor of our apartment. And these are the rooms of the apartment over here, as you can see. All the rooms are opened over here. These rooms are going to be empty over here. If you want to add any furnitures, you can use any housing script over here. And you can see the view of outside from here. So now let's go to the top floor of the apartment, which is 20th floor. And over here you can see this is the top floor of the apartment. And you can easily see the view of airport from here. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.